Dogs have undeniably earned their place as some of the most cherished and endearing pets in our lives, captivating our hearts with their wagging tails and soulful eyes. However, did you know these adorable companions have honed a variety of clever tactics to get what they want from us over time? Beyond their obvious affection and unwavering loyalty, dogs have become experts in the subtle art of persuasion. Their charming antics and endearing behaviors are not just random. They have evolved to masterfully influence us. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating ways science is uncovering these canine tricks, revealing just how skilled our furry friends are at manipulating our emotions and actions. From expressive eyebrow movements to those irresistible puppy eyes, dogs have developed a repertoire of behaviors designed to melt our hearts and bend us to their will. If you've ever felt like your dog has you wrapped around its paw, using its cuteness to get extra treats or an extended playtime, you're not alone. Stay tuned to discover the scientific insights behind these behaviors and how our interactions with dogs have shaped their ability to communicate with us so effectively. If you've noticed your own dog's crafty methods to get what it wants, we'd love to hear your stories. Share your experiences in the comments after you watch. Now, let's dive in and explore this captivating topic and uncover the secrets behind our dog's persuasive powers. Number 1. They move their eyebrows expressively. One of the most powerful tools in a dog's arsenal is its ability to move its eyebrows expressively. This charming gesture is far more common in domestic dogs than in their wild relatives, such as wolves. Interestingly, this eyebrow movement closely mimics the facial expressions humans make when they are feeling sad. Research indicates that this particular action elicits a nurturing response from humans, fostering more effective communication between our two species. A study published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences delves into this phenomenon, revealing that dogs' expressive eyebrows have evolved due to selection based on human preference. Essentially, those heart-melting eyebrow raises are an evolutionary adaptation, crafted to be an effective manipulation tool for our canine companions. This adaptation has not only strengthened the bond between humans and dogs, but also showcases the incredible ways in which our interactions have shaped canine behavior over time. Number 2. Puppy eyes. The same study also highlights another clever strategy in a dog's toolkit, their puppy eyes. Over time, domestic dogs have honed the ability to mimic facial expressions akin to puppy eyes, a trait that historically increased their appeal to humans and enhanced their chances of receiving care. It's almost as if they've evolved to be irresistibly cute. The muscle that enables dogs to lift their eyebrows inwardly is pivotal here, creating the illusion of larger, more innocent eyes that tug at our heartstrings. This manipulation doesn't stop there. The subtle furrowing of their brow, reminiscent of a human expressing sadness, can evoke a caregiving response from us. By adopting these infant-like features and behaviors, dogs effectively emotional blackmail their way into receiving more attention and care from humans. From an evolutionary standpoint, this trait has proven immensely advantageous. Researchers suggest that dogs have adapted to elicit a caregiving response from humans, a trait likely inherited from their ancestors. Over generations, those dogs whose characteristics evoked nurturing instincts in humans were more likely to receive care and protection, ultimately thriving and passing on these traits. This ongoing interaction between humans and dogs has shaped not only canine behavior but also deepened the bond between our species, illustrating the remarkable ways in which domestication has influenced both parties. Number 3. They subtly manipulate us. A groundbreaking study conducted by researchers at the University of Zurich in Switzerland has shed light on the remarkable cognitive abilities of dogs, particularly their capacity for deception. The study employed a sophisticated experimental setup where dogs interacted with 3 distinct groups of humans: cooperative individuals, unknown humans offering treats without restriction, and unknown competitive humans who restricted treat access. Throughout the experiments, the dogs' owners acted as their handlers, adding a layer of familiarity and trust to the interactions. During the trials, each dog was tasked with guiding these human partners to one of 3 locations, each containing different reward: a box with their favorite food, another with food they didn't prefer, and a third box that remained empty. What unfolded during these experiments was nothing short of astonishing. On the initial day of testing, The dogs consistently led the cooperative individuals to the box with their favorite food, a behavior that surpassed expectations and occurred more frequently compared to their interactions with the competitive partners. This strategic behavior suggested that the dogs were adept at discerning which individuals were more likely to fulfill their desires for preferred treats. However, the study took an unexpected turn on the subsequent day of testing. To the surprise of the researchers, the dogs altered their approach. They led the competitive partners less often to the preferred food and more frequently to the empty box, while continuing to guide the cooperative partners to the favored food. This shift indicated a nuanced understanding of the varying motivations and behaviors of their human partners, demonstrating a remarkable ability to adapt and adjust their actions based on the specific circumstances of cooperation versus competition. Furthermore, the study illuminated the dog's capability for tactical deception. In deliberately misleading the competitive partners away from the preferred food and towards less desirable outcomes, while guiding the cooperative partners to their preferred rewards, the dogs exhibited a strategic and calculated approach to achieving their goals. This behavior underscores their sophisticated social cognition and their keen awareness of human responses and intentions. In essence, these findings not only highlight the dog's exceptional cognitive flexibility and social intelligence, but also deepen our understanding of the complex dynamics at play in human-canine interactions. Dogs' ability to manipulate situations for their benefit suggests a deeper level of understanding and adaptation in their relationships with humans, further underscoring the unique bond between our species forged over millennia of coevolution. Number 4. They adopt our traits and character. Have you ever noticed that your dog seems to share personality traits with you? This phenomenon is supported by scientific research conducted at the University of Vienna in Austria, where researchers aim to scientifically explore the typical association between the character of dogs and their owners. In their study, the researchers recruited 132 dogs along with their owners or guardians, subjecting both to comprehensive behavioral tests. Published in the journal Public Library of Science, the study uncovered intriguing findings revealing significant similarities in personality traits between owners and their dogs. Specifically, dogs often mirrored the characteristics of their owners. If an owner exhibited anxiety or neuroticism, their dog tended to develop similar negative qualities. Conversely, dogs owned by calm and relaxed individuals tended to exhibit similar calmness. The study authors proposed that humans exert a substantial influence on their dogs' personalities, rather than the other way around. This challenges the traditional belief that pets primarily shape their owners' behaviors. The research underscores the complex and bidirectional relationship between humans and dogs, where owners' personalities significantly impact their pets' behavioral traits. Furthermore, the study's recommendations are practical. For owners aiming to train a nervous dog, leading by example is crucial. This means demonstrating calm and composed behavior to positively influence the dog's demeanor and response to stressful situations. By understanding and leveraging this connection, owners can enhance their relationship with their dogs while fostering a more harmonious environment based on mutual understanding and emotional resonance. Number 5. Communication and behavior. Dogs have co-evolved with humans over millennia, developing remarkable abilities to interpret our signals and communicate effectively with us. Their methods of influencing our behavior are diverse and deeply rooted in their social dynamics with humans. One prominent way dogs connect with us is through eye contact. When dogs stare at their owners with expressive eyes, it often evokes an emotional response in us, leading to actions like petting, offering food, or giving attention. These interactions strengthen the bond between human and canine. Additionally, dogs utilize vocalizations such as barks, whines, and other sounds to grab our attention and achieve their desires, whether it's going for a walk, receiving food, or simply seeking companionship. Through associative learning, dogs quickly discern which behaviors lead to rewards. For instance, if sitting or offering a paw results in a treat, they learn to repeat these actions to gain more rewards. While humans may perceive these behaviors as manipulative due to our tendency to interpret actions in terms of conscious intent, in dogs, these actions are primarily instinctive and learned through associations. This distinction is crucial in understanding their behavior within the context of their evolutionary adaptation to living alongside humans. The deep emotional bond between dogs and humans drives them to seek ways to maintain and enhance this connection. What might appear as manipulation is, in fact, dogs' adeptness at effective communication and social adaptation. They learn to navigate their environment by understanding which behaviors elicit positive responses from their human companions. Ultimately, this ability to influence our behavior underscores the unique and enduring relationship between humans and dogs. It's a testament to the mutual understanding and companionship that has evolved over centuries, enriching both species' lives through companionship, cooperation, and shared experiences. Number 6. Reading human emotions. Dogs' remarkable sensitivity to human emotions not only enhances their ability to empathize, but also plays a strategic role in their manipulation tactics. By keenly observing our body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, dogs adeptly gauge our emotional state. When they sense joy and exuberance, they may amplify their playful and energetic behaviors. Knowing these actions often lead to positive reinforcement such as attention or treats. Conversely, when they detect sadness or distress in their owner or others, dogs intuitively adopt a comforting demeanor, offering solace and companionship. This adaptive behavior isn't just about empathy. It's a calculated strategy honed through centuries of coevolution with humans. Studies highlight that dogs can accurately interpret human emotions through non-verbal cues alone, showcasing their high emotional intelligence. This acute awareness enables dogs to navigate social interactions effectively, influencing our behavior by eliciting responses that align with their needs and desires. When a dog responds to our emotional cues with behaviors that evoke nurturing or protective instincts, such as seeking closeness during times of distress or celebrating with us in moments of joy, it strengthens the emotional bond between human and dog. This mutual exchange of emotional signals forms the foundation of the unique bond we share with our canine companions. While dogs' responses may seem purely instinctual, their ability to manipulate our emotional responses underscores their sophisticated understanding of human psychology. Through these subtle yet powerful manipulations, dogs not only enhance their own well-being but also deepen the emotional connection and cooperation between species, enriching both our lives through shared experiences of care and companionship. And that concludes our exploration of how dogs manipulate us through their remarkable behaviors. If you found this video enlightening or entertaining, we invite you to show your support by leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us bring more fascinating insights into the unique world of canine behavior. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.